Bonjour, my name is Lorgnette and I have been a teacher of French at UC Santa Cruz for over 10 years now. I feel like I never have enough time with my students in class to make them practice, to communicate, to exchange, to help them learn. So I decided that these tiny grammar points that we see in class, I could post them as a video with the PowerPoint so they can learn it before coming to class and we have more time to practice, or they can review them at their own pace when they need them. Which is why I decided to create my own website to post and organize these videos. Because there are videos and there are, I'm sorry, but no video without YouTube. So I decided to create my own channel also. And after a while, I'm posting these videos to everybody, although they do address the curriculum that we follow with my students. They might be useful to you. If they are, please let me know. And if you want me to address all the points of the French language or culture, please don't hesitate to ask me too. Voilà, that's it for today. I hope that you will find these videos useful. Bonne journée.